Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. You know, I was thinking I have not had a classic sugar cookie in forever. So that's what I'm going to make today. I'm going to make an old-fashioned, big, puffy, delicious, sweet sugar cookie. Okay, well, I'm just going to add one thing. I have about 3/4 of a cup of whole coffee beans. You can use whatever kind you like. Just going to put them on a baking sheet and pop them in a 350-degree oven for about 5-6 minutes. I just want to bring out the natural oils a little bit and break them down just a little bit. So we'll put this in there. And in the meantime, I'm going to make the cookie dough. We start by creaming together 2 sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature, and 1 cup of sugar. So we'll start creaming them together. And now I'm going to drop in 2 egg yolks, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll put together our dry ingredients. First, I just want to give the coffee beans a shake. The smell of roasting coffee. There's only 3 dry ingredients. I've got 2.5 cups of flour. I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just blend those. Now I'm going to jump over here and take my coffee beans out. And we'll let those cool down. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet. I do half at a time, not quite sure why. Now I just add my coffee beans. And we'll take them just for a short ride. Okay, I'll bring this over here. Oh, you'll note that there are some half pieces of coffee beans, there are some whole ones in there, and there are some crumbs, which is exactly what I want. You'll also notice that this is a very dry dough. It's supposed to be that way because of all the butter in it. So I'm going to roll. You squeeze it in your hand like that. I'm going to do like about 1.5-inch balls. Like that. Just keep squeezing it till it all forms together. Roll it in sugar. And another thing I like about this recipe is put it on a baking sheet and you don't need to grease it. So now it's rolling time. Last one. Now you see I left a little bit of space there because they're a pretty big cookie. It's not like they spread out like that, but they're going to puff up, but they're going to get bigger. But I want to take a glass and press down slightly on each cookie. Give it a nice flat top. All right. 350-degree oven, 12 to 15 minutes, or until they start getting lightly golden around the bottom edges. Of course, I let these rest for a couple of minutes before I put them on this platter. I'm so excited. Coffee bean sugar cookies with a cup of coffee. And now I'm ready to run a marathon.